In this video, I'm going to talk about how to add dual clock widgets to your iPhone lock screen and how we can do it. So this is going to help you whenever you are any kind of traveling or any other kind of city and you wanted to know the native and both current cities time, you can do it. So what you need to do is just go over here, press and hold on your lock screen. You have to So first of all, what you need to do is just go over here, press and hold on your lock screen. You have to do it over here like this. Corrective idanannu Face ID. Hey everyone, welcome back to another video, and this video I'm going to talk about how to add dual clock widgets to your iPhone lock screen. So let me directly get into it. First of all, you have to go over here, press and hold on your lock screen, and once you did this, there is an option called customized. You have to click on the customize, and once you click on the customize, what you need to do is you just need to click on the widgets. So go for add widgets over here. Now when you click on the add widgets, you can see that we have various options like this. Now from here you have to scroll down and navigate to the clock. Just tap on the clock. And right now we have world clock, and if you swipe it over here, you can see we have city digital clock and we have various kind of things. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to keep this as on my lock screen. So I'm going to add this, and you have to tap on this. Now from here you have to select the location of the particular region that you wanted to show there. So what I'm going to do is let me tap on Abu Dhabi. So I'll keep this over here for Abu Dhabi, and once done I'm going to create another one. So let me tap over here like this. So another one clock is created, and for that I have to tap on it, and I'm going to select ADAC USA. I'm going to select this. You can select any location, so you can scroll down if you wanted to. So I'm going to keep for at USA over here, and once you set this up, you just need to close this. As you can see right now, if you go back over here, you can just bring it over here like this, and you can set this. I'm having two kind of locations. One is Abu Dhabi, which is the time is around 2:28, and for the USA it is 1:28. So this is how I can set up, right? So once you're done with this one, you just go to the done and you're fine with it, and you can see you'll be having two kinds of locations or the clock widgets over there for this one, and this is how we can do it. And I hope this quick video is helpful. That's it. Bye bye.